so now we have this, we have these. Okay, so now we have another big pepper. So place your knife right in the middle of it and slide down. Okay. Take your knife again, place it in the middle, and put it in. Okay. Same thing with this. Take your knife and put it down. Okay, that's more pepper. Now you have another one. And then that's good. So put that in. Okay, now we have our chicken. Okay. So you want to cut it like that. Okay. And then like that. Okay, so now we're gonna put them in. Dang. Cut that in half again. Okay. 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 So besties, we are done. Well, not yet, but almost. So we're gonna put some black pepper into here. Okay, and now we also want garlic pepper, all right? Okay. Now comes the fun part. So it's going to look, hang on, let me show you guys what this looks like. It looks absolutely incredible. All right, so here's what it looks like. Beautiful, huh? So that's what it looks like, besties. And oh my God, when you add the chicken, when we add the chicken, it's absolutely amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna toss it. So we have to take our hands and toss. Make sure that all of that goodness is in every coat.